Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. It is July the 1st, 2022, and we initially had a bad setup in regard to our Yardlong beans this year. So first, let's take a look. I'm going to scoot around the successful stuff. This is the original location. There's the original Yardlong beans for the year that died, okay? The chitin inside of the eggshells wasn't enough to fight off the root knot nematodes. And also the soil conditions were probably not good enough for really strong production of the Yardlong bean. But mostly the root knot nematode is what killed these guys. However, we did a second spot right next to this location where we've placed the Yardlong beans with black walnut hull powder. And let's take a look at the success so far. Here it is. This is really promising looking, okay? I've only been gone a week and I've come back to this. So hopefully going forward throughout the year this continues and we can get a huge amount of Yardlong beans to harvest this year. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow. And stay tuned as I keep you updated on the progress of these Yardlong beans. Have a good day.